Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the last trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks in news. The first one is Tata Consultancy Services because company reported the Q1 number where the company's net profit is reported at 12,760 crores versus the estimate of 12,127 crores. Revenue is reported at 63,437 crores. EBITDA is also reported at on a higher side which is around 15,514 crores and dollar revenue is reported at $742 crore versus the estimate of $751 crore. Along with that, company announced the interim dividend of rupees 11 per share, and there is a new hiring of 5,019 Q1. Now the total headcount of the company is around 6.13 lakh. The next stock which you need to look at is Anand Rathi because company's net profit is reported at 93.9 crores, which is up by 28% on a yearly basis. Revenue is reported at 274 crores, which is up by 15.3% on a yearly basis. EBITDA is reported at 128 crores, which is again up by 30% on Y&Y basis, and margins are reported at 46.6% versus 41.3% on a yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Tata Elxsi, where the company's net profit is reported at 145 crores versus the estimate of 163 crores. Revenue is reported at 892 crores. EBIT is reported at 162 crores. Margins are reported at 20.8% versus the estimate of 20%, where the company's quarter-on-quarter EBIT is down by 11.4%. The next stock which you need to look at is Ireda, where the company's net profit is reported at 247 crores, down by 36% on a yearly basis. Revenue is reported at 1,947 crores, which is up by 29% on Y&Y basis. Company's gross NPA are reported at 4.13% versus 2.45% on quarterly basis, which means company's non-performing asset has been increased drastically on quarter-on-quarter basis, and company's net NPA is also increase reported at 2.06% versus 1.35% on quarterly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Glenmark Pharmaceutical because company Subsidiary IGI signed global licensing deal with the AbbVie for ISB 2001 multiple myeloma molecule. Upfront payment is around $700 million. Milestone Potential is around $1.225 billion, and the royalties tier double digit on net sales. The next stock which you need to look at is Tata Steel because company invest $125.25 million in subsidiary T Steel Holdings Pte. The next stock is Eicher Motors because company's subsidiary VECV receives 169 crore GST notice demand from CGST Ujjain. The next stock which you need to look at is Birla Corporation because company declared preferred bidder for a limestone block in Rajasthan, which is around 161 hectares. The next stock which you need to look at in today's trading session is Hindustan Unilever because Rohit Jawa to step down as MD and CEO due to personal reason with respect from 31st of July 2025. Now company appointed Priya Nair as a new MD and CEO of the company with respect from 1st of August 2025. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.